Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Start by searching for the message with the code using the sender name or subject. This immediately narrows results. Once done, open the most recent matching message so you can view the content directly. Make sure you're in the correct account if you manage multiple addresses. Switching accounts can be the reason you don't see the code. If you quickly see a short numeric string at the top of the message, you've found the code and can proceed to copy it. Now focus on how the code is shown and why it might be hidden. Many verification codes appear as bold short numbers near the top. If you don't see them, enable images or click any, show trimmed content, link so inline blocks become visible. On desktop, use the three-dot menu and choose Show Original to view the email's raw source. This reveals text that email clients sometimes hide. Once visible, highlight and copy the code so it's ready for the app or site requesting it. Finish by copying the code exactly and pasting it into the app or site that requested it. Many codes expire quickly, so act fast. If the code is missing or invalid, make sure you checked spam and alternate tabs, and confirm you open the correct Gmail account. Once done, request a resend. If that fails, use the Show Original headers to confirm delivery or contact the sender for support. Key troubleshooting tip: enable images and check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.